All right, folks. Welcome back to another enlightening episode. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could truly enhance your communication skills, improving your English accent by focusing on stress, intonation, and rhythms. It's not just about pronunciation, believe me. Think of it like the difference between a flat, lifeless pancake and a beautifully layered, fluffy soufflé. They're both food, but one provides that delightful experience you just want to savor.
Wow, I definitely want to indulge in that fluffy soufflé. So when you mention stress, intonation, and rhythm, do you mean the way you place emphasis on words?
Absolutely. Picture stress as the energy you pack into certain syllables or words. For example, when you say, "I didn't say she stole my money," every time you change where the stress lands, the meaning shifts entirely. It's like a magician's trick with words. For instance, you might say, "I didn't say she stole my money," implying someone else did it. Or perhaps, "I didn't say she stole my money," suggesting you never claimed she did it at all.
Whoa, that's so intriguing. It's almost like playing a game of telephone, right? The meaning shifts depending on how you say it.
Exactly. It's all about that melody in speech. Think of intonation as the tune you play when you converse. It keeps listeners engaged. If you're telling a story and every sentence sounds the same, that would lead to snooze city. Instead, you want to go up and down like a roller coaster, keeping your audience on their toes and intrigued.
A roller coaster of words. Haha. So does that mean I could, change the pitch of my voice to make things sound more exciting? Or to convey different emotions?
Yes, precisely. Visualize narrating a suspenseful moment in a horror movie. Your voice would dip low, conjuring this tense atmosphere. But then, there's that uplifting transition, a spark of hope, where suddenly the energy shifts. Your intonation can convey emotions that mere words sometimes can't capture.
Oh. Like when you're watching an intense scene in a movie, and the score amps up the energy? It's all about those subtle cues, right?
Spot on. And rhythm is that beat, the flow of your speech. It's what makes your sentences feel like they're dancing. Think about it like music. If I'm speaking too fast, it's like rushing through a delicate melody. If I'm too slow, it becomes tedious. You want that sweet spot where everything flows effortlessly, captivating everyone.
Wow. So it's like being in a band, where you have to listen to each other and find that groove together? I never thought of it that way.
Exactly. And the beautiful thing is, you can practice this. For instance, try reading your favorite poetry out loud. You'll see how the stress and rhythm create this engaging musicality. It's not just about individual words, it's the entire structure that brings everything to life.
Poetry, huh? So, does that mean I can, play with different styles? Switching from Shakespeare to modern rap?
Yes, exactly. Mixing different styles will challenge you and expand your articulation skills. Think of it like an artist experimenting with colors. The more variety you include, the more vibrant your speech will become. And don't shy away from mimicking accents and rhythms too. It's a powerful learning tool.
Ooh, so I could, impersonate celebrities or characters to enhance my accent. Can you picture me attempting to sound like, Morgan Freeman? Or maybe doing a questionable impression of a British detective? Haha.
Absolutely. Go for it. It's all part of the exploration. Just remember, be playful with it. It's not about perfection, but about expression. And, it's in that playful approach that we often stumble upon our best breakthroughs.
I love this. So I'll start blending my famous impressions into my speeches, like Morgan Freeman narrating my grocery list. Wouldn't that be hilarious?
Haha, yes. That would certainly add a fun twist to mundane tasks. And who knows, it might revolutionize how you articulate in everyday conversations. It's all about practice, so don't hold back.
I can't wait to give it a shot. Just thinking about it makes me pumped to, transform my speaking skills.
Absolutely. Just keep in mind, the journey to mastering English accents is not a sprint, but a marathon. Enjoy every single bit of it.
For sure. This is going to be one epic adventure.